be effective. Members margi ohala, for example, Chikomoa Kenya, must be able to go around with other colleagues, Pinje Magi East Africa, Gagitimo civic education need the members to know what ohala is. Mano kose be effective because of lack of funding. Owinjo benigi puonjo jo ohala benefits according to Covered Market Act mano bedo passed, how your ohala can benefit from those things. Mantie the act. So watch married civic education is a serious challenge, and I think it is one of the things may affect East Africans. Yo maginyalo ng'eyo go nito ohala kata East Africa nyalo offer negi ang'o as a country. So by the time mane wantie, walking around to see parts of East Africa was reduced to some kind of tourism. The time is too short because there is no funding for it, and then you don't reach a number of people to be able to understand what you are supposed to do. For example, when we were passing the act ban plastic, I think Rwanda first did it as a country, and then East Africa community passed an act ban use of plastics in East Africa. But you will find if partner states were not able to implement the ban. Nike seria wacho, the treaty wacho niko seria morokal East Africa, the partner state must domesticate it. It becomes a law in that country. Systems of doing that, by the time Manwanti had not been put in place. So that the laws